Hi, I'm Anamika Pai. I work as a staff program manager with Conga. At Conga, we have multiple products, all releasing multiple features every other week. So when you release hundreds of features twice a month, it becomes critical for us to inform all our internal stakeholders on what has been released in a particular week. So this was cumbersome process for us because we were using Jira queries, sending out email notifications to different group of stakeholders. And when I say different group, it means each product has their own product team, engineering team, documentation team. So this was almost like a one-day activity for us after every release. So this is where ARN did the magic for us. So with just a one-time setup, we have now zero manual intervention. So at a scheduled time, we have all the release features captured in the format and template we want and emailed out to the product-wise groups of stakeholders that are interested in that product. So let me tell you another instance. So we are a globally distributed organization and we work in different time zones. So for us, setting up a change approval board meeting was one of our biggest challenges. So considering the approvers and change owners are in different time zones, having the right set of people on one single call was a big challenge. So internally, our solution was to use a release approval document, which we did with our integrated that with Jira. But getting ARN on board and the template and the AI functionality gave an entire different new approach to the CAB document. So we now have a CAB document of our desired structure for approvals. So the entire release summary, the change level summary, the AI feature which summarizes everything for us, and all the desired details for the approver to consider are all in one document, again sent out automatically. So my advice to other customers or other companies who have challenges with release notes or say consolidating an automated release summary document or even managing critical initiatives, I think they should just utilize ARN. It gets difficult for us when you have to track it on Jira, send queries out and have people to actually check Jira filters timely. So what we did is we use ARN to send out our weekly status. It's very easy to get the Jira ticket, the status, even the latest comments in a nicely tabulated format of our choice. And that email goes out to everybody before the meeting. So everybody comes to the meeting well prepared. They know what has happened on the last set of tickets. So it's really very easy for us to even reduce the meeting time. So I would just not like to call ARN as a report generator or a release note generator, but it's a very useful tool for both release management, project management, and I think overall time management. I think they have ensured the app usage is so simple and it's easy to use that there's hardly any need for me to talk to them or reach out to them. Of course, the support team is so passionate about what they do. They always are there to engage or, even understand our use cases. And it's nice that you challenge them with a use case and they come out with the best solution. But the thing which stands out the most for me is the ease of usage and the whole implementation. It's really a game changer from ARN perspective is the templates which are inbuilt and ready to use, plus the ease to even create your own template, right? So once we create a template, that's something like a blueprint which can then be used for multiple automations and multiple rule triggers. It makes things very easy for you and you don't have to really worry about every time an automation runs, should I just change something? No, it's just very easy to use templates and the entire release note structure is captured in that. It really helps from a time management perspective as well for us. So what we used to take hours together for us to generate reports, to even schedule meetings or, even come up with getting everybody on the same page before a meeting, all of that is done in a jiffy. So I think it really does wonders. So I love ARN.